We're in the side of one of the Inyo craters. This is a volcano. The rock around us, I don't know if you can see glinting in the sunlight up there in some places. There's, especially like right up there, I hope you get the shine. There's a lot of obsidian here. This rock is called Rhyolite. It's a type of volcanic rock that is, I guess you could say it's kind of similar to granite, but that the crystals are exceedingly small because it cooled so fast. Now right here in front of me, that's a piece of a huge chunk of pumice. Sorry, kind of out of breath. Oh, guess I better hit. This is an incredibly neat looking piece of obsidian. You can see the shiny obsidian here, but then it's got these bubbles of what I'm thinking must be, I don't know, the rhyolite kind of stuff. There tends to be a lot of rhyolite here, but just look at this. This is so neat. It reminds me of when you see a sedimentary rock that has a bunch of seashells in it. But these are just little bubbles of some other type of chemical, which I don't know yet, but I will. So very cool. Swiss Army knife for scale. There's looking up the hill. There's a mine up just over this ridge, and they've said they don't want us to come in, so I'm not going to push it, but okay, so we're here, parked a little ways up, truck's right there, and I'm getting lots of really cool pumice all over the place. Take a look at this. I'm collecting a lot of little stuff. Very light. I wouldn't be surprised when we get back to my classroom if this floats. So we get all that stuff in the box there. Oh no. So we get some rocks that are pumice, and then this thing has got, this isn't pumice now. This is, oh, I keep wanting to say rhyolite, and I'm probably going to have a geology, oh, cool rock professor tell me I'm a little off on that, but you can see the layers in there. Really neat, a little bit heavier here. Then we get this kind of stuff. Look at different texture. Okay, it feels very lightweight. Kind of almost feels like, well, it is kind of like a pumice. You can tell it's got different chemicals in it than this piece of pumice. Here, and again, pumice has this volcanic rock that has, I mean, this is so light, it's incredible. Lots of gas bubbles built into it, so it's very light. I don't know if you can make out, but we're seeing lots of glinting on the side of that hill. Maybe you can make out on that one there of obsidian. We got to be careful. We're starting to get some thunderheads here, so we're gonna get the heck out of it. That is the south side of what I'm calling the fourth Mono crater. As we pan this way, Mono Lake is right about there. Yosemite's over there. And see our mountains you can see in the distance. This place here is one of the, I guess you'd call it Upper Devil's Punchbowl. If you want to see the video I made of us climbing it, we came up from the other side. We're throwing rocks off, timing how long it took to go down there. You can see, hit the link below. But what's really neat is those are also volcanoes. It's hard to tell with all of the trees on them. That one's pretty darn obvious right there. That's a volcano. And get down into the crater there. But we were, this is where we collected the obsidian that we have for my Science 1 students. Now, I don't know if we can quite see. Can you see all the stuff kind of shining in here? I don't know if it's coming out on the video or not, but we got a lot of glinting. It looks like somebody came here and just broke thousands of glass bottles. But when you pick up one of the glints, it's just a small piece of obsidian. And, oh, there's a nice one there. Kind of broken a little. You can see the lines there. So anyway, well, my wife's down the road and she wants me to come get her. So signing off. Steeped in Native American, rituals, tradition. And a moment ago, I swore this thing right here when I was loading up stuff was like a person standing there beckoning to me to move along. And I think I'll do that. You get a real, I don't know, a connectedness with, I don't know if you want to say the earth, with time, with passage, with ancestors. You just think of the thousands of people that roam these looking for food, hunting, and you know, I don't think you can help but kind of be touched by it, unless you're just driving your four-wheeler and just trying to find the next cool place to go. But my wife often says I think too much. And signing off with a jet coming over there and a really pretty, what I think is an obsidian dome right there. Bye.